Everyone, back to me again. My name is Gemma Putra, and my name is 1925 0465, and I'm here to presentation about hardware with software and operating system. And for the first time, we discuss about what is a hardware. A hardware is an input device allow user to enter data into the computer, while output device display or produce result from the computer is processing. From example of hardware includes a keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, webcam, microphone, speakers, and joystick. Without a hardware, software will have nothing to run on. They work together to create a functional computer system. Hardware is the physical equipment of a computer system. These are tangible components that can be touched and seen, made of metal, plastic, and other physical materials. Hardware forms the foundation of any computing device. Hardware is divided into two main categories. Input device is, for example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, and for the second, an output device. And the example is a monitor, printer, and speakers. And the first time we discuss about an input device. Input device have a text input. A text input with a keyboard with QWERTY layout is the primary device for typing text, numbers, and comments into the computer system. And the second, pointing device. Mouse and trackball allows user to navigate the screen, select items, and interact with graphical interface through cursor movement. And for the gaming input, joystick provides a directional control for gaming and simulation application, offering precise movement and action buttons. And for media input, a scanner and webcam capture image and video, while microphone records audio input for communication and recording purposes. And for the output, we have a printer, produce hard copy output of documents and image, transfer digital information into a paper or other physical media essential for creating tangible records and materials. And for the second is a speakers, converts digital audio signals into sound waves, enable user to hear a music, video, system, alerts, and audio content available in various sizes from desktop to sound system. And the third is headsets, a personal audio output device worn on or over the ears. Headphones provide private listening experience often combined with microphone for communication and gaming application. And for the next is what is a software? Let's first we discuss about a definition. A definition of software is includes a programs, data, and protocol that have no material form. Unlike hardware, software is intangible. It cannot be touched or seen physically. Software tells the hardware what to do and how to perform tasks. And the second is a firmware. A firmware is a software stored in hardware that cannot be easily modified. A common example is BIOS ROM, which contains essential instruction for starting your computer. Unlike regular software, firmware is primarily embedded in hardware components. And for the main types in the software is operating system software for a control hardware and provides a platform for application. And the second is application software programs for specific tasks like word processing or design. Next is operating system software. What is an operating system? The operating system is a special program that loads automatically when you start your computer. It serves as the essential link between the hardware and you. The user, the OS, makes your computer ready to use without manual configuration and allows you to use advanced features without learning all the details how hardware works. And the second is a popular operating system. In this is an example about popular operating system that we always use it. And for the Windows have Windows 95, 98, etc. And for Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, etc. And for Mac OS ada for Mac OS Classic, Mac OS X, and etc. This system make computing easy without understanding bits and bytes. The idea hardware with software. Hardware is a physical and tangible input and output device, and software is program and application. And for application software, there are three purposes. For one is productivity. Productivity programs used after the operating system lost Microsoft Office to should include Word, Excel, PowerPoint for documentation and presentation. Adobe Photoshop for image editing and graphic design. These are essential tools for everyday computing tasks. And for the second purpose is application software is for business enterprise resource planning, or we call this called ERP, system integrated business process accounting software, manage financial transaction and reporting. Banking software handles transaction, customer accounts, and financial service securely. And the third purpose of application software is data tools, data management software, organize and processing information. Eventually, database application store and retrieve large amounts of data. Multimedia application handles audio, video, and interactive content creation. And that's it. Thank you for listening my presentation and see you next time. Bye-bye.